Welcome to Spitzer Buick GMC Findlay. And here's a look at another one of our great vehicles for sale. And comes equipped with parking sensors, heated front seats, leather steering wheel with auto tilt-away, Nissan Connect featuring Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, keyless entry, Nissan Connect Services emergency communication system, premium package with all the right options, roof rack, Bose premium audio system, rear spoiler, and has less than 35,000 miles on the odometer. Saving you more since 1904. The Spitzer family of dealerships is proud to provide our friends and neighbors with the best purchasing and owning experience in Ohio. We have a friendly staff and provide a fun atmosphere for our guests. And we offer the best value for the lowest price. So give us a call or stop by Spitzer Buick GMC Findlay today, where our world revolves around you.